takes me a while to get there. It's hard to get to.
Let's do it, Marsh. Do something fancy for me. Can you dance for me? She's dancing, by the way.
Ow! Ow!
Ow. She said, ow.
Yay! 1, 2. What? What? What?
Five.
You can count more.
Hey, Ryan. What are you doing, Ryan?
Playing this game.
Turn around.
Turn around, look at me.
Die!
Bobby.
What?
Gotta take the cap off, that helps. There we go. There's the Christmas tree again this year. It'll be top of the tree. Presents all over the ground. There's our buddy Eric.
Brat.
Who you calling a brat?
You?
Me?
Yeah.
Who am I?
Nobody.
You ever been hit on the head?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No.
It will this time.
Okay.
Quit. I'm busy. There's Hannah digging in the food. Hi, Hannah. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi to the camera? Hey, Aaron, buddy. Aaron. You don't want to be on the camera?
He's a little bit stirred up.
A little bit.
Mimi.
I think he's a lot stirred up tonight. Hi, Marcia. Are you eating? Whose house are you at? You at Mimi and Papa's?
Eating corn. She's excited.
Eating corn? Yep. There's Donnie sampling all the food. Donnie, you sampling all the food? Yeah. Hi, Johnny Faye.
Hi, Bobby.
How are you? Good. There's Obie behind you.
Would you like me to move?
And let's see. You don't want to do it. See, you don't want me to take a picture. There's Grandma.
I don't want you to have an
Sitting in a chair. And Crystal down there. Crystal, what are you doing? Your dad wants to mush him. Nah. There's that knucklehead. hey, knucklehead.
Be quiet or I'll give you a black eye.
Say bye. That's a good picture. Hey, pop cleaning his